Let's start with the gaze. The visual overhaul of the 2023 model is not merely aesthetic, it is aerodynamic. The previous generation looked like a street fighter in a sport bike costume. This generation looks like it's doing 150 kilometers per hour while parked. The stacked LED headlight assembly, borrowed visually from the RCHC track weapon, narrows the profile. KTM calls it a laser focus, and the metaphor holds. Every panel here is designed to duct air, not just around the rider but through the machine. Notice the aero winglets. On a superbike, these generate downforce. On a 307v3cc machine, they generate something else entirely: belief. They tell the rider that this machine belongs on a racetrack. It's a psychological weapon as much as a physical one. Lift the fairing, and you are greeted by a sight that is becoming increasingly rare in the motorcycle world: a visible frame. The trellis frame is KTM's signature. But here is the technical detail that separates the enthusiasts from the commuters. The main frame is powder-coated steel, but look closer at the subframe. It is a bolt-on aluminum structure. Why? Weight distribution and crash repair. On track, if you high-side, you can replace the subframe without scrapping the entire chassis. And the swing arm. It's a gravity die-cast aluminum unit, asymmetrical in design to accommodate the exhaust pathway. It's rigid, but it has a specific flex characteristic engineered into it. KTM didn't just want this bike to be light on paper, they wanted it to feel light under you. If the frame is the skeleton, the suspension is the nervous system. The 2023 model is equipped with WP Apex open cartridge forks. Open cartridge. That phrase is the key to unlocking this bike's character. Most bikes at this price point use a damping rod fork. Cheap, simple, but hydraulic fluid cavitates under hard use. The open cartridge setup in the RC 390 is fully adjustable. Separate circuits for compression and rebound. This is race-ready hardware. The result? Where other bikes skip and skate over ripples at the apex of a corner, the RC 390 digs in. It communicates the surface texture to your palms. It is stiff, yes. It is harsh on the daily commute. But perfection isn't about comfort. It's about feedback. Let's talk about the engine. The 373cc LC4C single-cylinder. In the world of silky smooth parallel twins, this engine is an anachronism. It vibrates, it hammers. It shakes the mirrors into a blur at 7,000 RPM. But listen to the intake roar. That is the sound of velocity. With 43 horsepower, it isn't about outright speed. It's about the delivery. The ride-by-wire throttle, updated for 2023, provides a connection to the crankshaft that feels almost mechanical. It's tractable, yet frantic. It demands you keep the revs high. It punishes laziness. But here's where we address the duality. The 2023 RC 390 is a masterpiece of engineering, but it is not a masterpiece of comfort or convenience. To love this bike, you must forgive its transgressions. The ergonomics are radical. This is a full tuck position derived from MotoGP. It is beautiful for the track, but on the highway, it is a yoga pose. The seat, while grippy, is thinly padded. The side stand deployment is an awkward ballet, and the heat from the catalytic converter, well, let's just say your right thigh will know exactly where it is at a traffic light. Even the TFT display, while beautiful and connected, can suffer from glare at the wrong angle. KTM has prioritized function over form, but sometimes function hurts. So what is the 2023 KTM RC 390? It is a scalpel designed by surgeons who forgot that most people operate on kitchen tables, not operating rooms. It is too aggressive, too track-focused, and too demanding for the average rider. But that is precisely its perfection. In a sea of compliance, it remains uncompromising. It doesn't ask you to sit back and enjoy the scenery. It demands you to lean forward, grip the tank with your knees, and participate in the act of riding.